What if I told you this entire video was created without a camera, without filming, and without retakes? I am not talking about editing tricks. I am talking about AI. Stay till the end, because I am going to turn a single photo into a talking video, and the result might surprise you. This video is created using HeyGen, an AI video platform that lets you generate realistic avatar videos in minutes. And yes, this face you are seeing right now is also an AI avatar. Let me show you how this actually works. In this video, we are going to create a complete AI video from start to finish. We will take a photo, turn it into a talking avatar, sync it with audio, and generate a final video without recording anything. If you are a creator, educator, or professional who does not want to be on camera all the time, this is for you. HeyGen has a feature called Photo to Video using its Avatar 4 engine. You upload a single image, add a script or voice, and the AI generates realistic facial movement, expressions, and lip sync. The interesting part is how natural it feels, especially compared to older avatar tools. It does not look like someone reading from a teleprompter in 2015. Let me quickly walk you through the process. First, you upload your photo. This can be a portrait, an illustration, or a stylized image. Next, you add your script or audio. The avatar animation is driven by the voice, so the expressions follow the tone naturally. Once that is done, you preview the video, make small adjustments, and generate the final output. No camera setup, no lighting, no multiple takes. This is where it gets interesting. If you want to update your message, you do not re-record. You simply edit the script and regenerate the video. This saves a lot of time, especially if you create content regularly. Wait, this talking video started as just a photo, and I made it using HeyGen. No camera, no filming, just one image and a voice. HeyGen's Photo to Video avatar uses Avatar IV to sync facial motion, expressions, and lip movement naturally to audio. This is perfect for creators, educators, and anyone who wants to show up on video without being on camera. If you want to turn your own photo into a talking video, try HeyGen and see what it can do. It also helps maintain a consistent on-camera presence, even on days when you do not feel like filming. Creators can use this for short-form videos and explainers. Educators can turn lessons into reusable video modules. Professionals can create updates, training content, or multilingual videos without recording again. One setup, multiple outputs. Now here is the part I mentioned earlier.
Yes, I am Dr. Dumave.